If you watch this YouTube video, you will get $6.18. And if you watch this YouTube video, then you will get $4.67. Similarly, if you watch this TikTok video, you will get $1.27. And if you watch this TikTok video, then you will get $1.67. This site provides lots of tasks like this. And apart from this, you can earn money from here by playing games, downloading apps, filling the surveys, and completing many more quick doable tasks. This site is available all over the world. No matter which country you are from, you can easily earn money from here. So without wasting any time, let us tell you about all the ways to earn money from this site. But before going ahead, please subscribe to our channel and also join my Telegram channel to stay updated with all these things. Before using this site, make sure that you have any reliable crypto wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase, or any of these. And if you don't have any of these crypto wallets, then simply go to the Play Store and download Trust Wallet app. Then create your account in it. After this, now come to this site. We will provide you the link of this site in the description box below. Here you can see, you can also register through Google, Facebook, and Apple account. But skip all these options and click Connect with Wallet option. And now you can choose any wallet that you have. So in my case, I choose Trust Wallet. And now you will be redirected to the Trust Wallet app. Simply click on the accept option. Now minimize this app and come back to this site. And here you can see signature request sent to your Trust Wallet app. So again, go to Trust Wallet app and click the sign button. Now your registration process has been done successfully. Simply come to this site and now you can earn money from here without any problem. You can see many people are already earning money from here. But before knowing all the ways of earning, let me tell you that you can also earn money from here by daily reward. But for this, you have to download its app because this option is visible only in its app. After downloading this app, log in using the same method and now you can claim your daily reward. At the top you can see that there are many earning options are available. Like if you join their Discord, then you will get $0.06, and if you follow him on Twitter, then you will get $0.01. Here earning is showing less because it depends on the country. Like I'm from India, so my earning is showing less here. And if you are from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and other countries, then your earning will be very high, as we showed you in the beginning. And you can also see it here. Like if you can complete this offer, you will get $118, and if you complete this offer, then you will get $12.6. And so on. Now scroll down and here you can see the site partners. You can also earn money from here by following their earning conditions. And now again scroll down and here you can see quick doable social media tasks. You can also earn money from here by completing some quick doable tasks. And now let us show you how you can earn money by watching YouTube and TikTok videos. Simply scroll down and here you can see the watch and earn option. Simply click on the view all option and you will get many more YouTube and TikTok videos linked, and by completing all these you can easily earn money. For example, let's choose this YouTube video. Simply click on it and follow their instruction. You can easily accomplish this. Similarly, this process is applicable for TikTok videos. But after the task is completed, rewards take some time to appear, so keep patience. And now again scroll down and here you can see survey partners. You can also earn money by completing simple surveys. In the last of this app, you can see that here you can choose your task according to your choice and you can earn money easily from here. After all of this, if you have completed at least $0.5, then you can easily withdraw your money in the form of Jump Task token on the same wallet. So now you go and start earning through this site. But don't forget to like this video and join my Telegram channel.